Are you looking for a dental design center to outsource your dental designs? Is your team overloaded with work and needs a helping hand? It's time to check in with EasyDent Dental, a fast and reliable extension to your digital workflow. As a dental design center, we provide precise and superior designs for crowns and bridges, facial cutbacks, split files, custom abutments, dentures, surgical guides, and much more. With the help of dental CAD/CAM software like Sirona, 3Shape, Exocad, and more, we ensure that the digital dental designs we provide are meticulous and flawless. Our well-trained CAD/CAM experts assist various dental labs across North America and Europe in moving towards digitization without investing in digital equipment and an in-house design team. Here are a few reasons to choose EasyDent Dental. We commit to delivering high-quality designs across a range of dental CAD products, fast and reliable delivery with customized solutions, no need to invest in CAD design software and team, live support to resolve your issues effectively and quickly with EasyConnect. We design 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, so you can focus on your core business. For more information, click on the link below.